You will not believe what these keto apple fritters are made of. And they're so easy to make. So it's August, that means it's the start of apple season. And if you're keto, well then too bad for you normally. But today we're going to be showing you that you can enjoy apple fritters and still follow a ketogenic lifestyle. Depending on like how you make food, of course. We are technically keto. We like to use things like this Birch Benders pancake mix. So recently we showed you guys how to make an apple pie filling that is low carb and keto friendly and super simple to make. And we have some of it stored in this glass jar in the fridge. And that's what Sarah and I were telling you, is that when you make this, you can make a big batch of it and you can eat it or even freeze it for later. A couple months ago, Sarah and I tried a hack to make keto friendly funnel cake using 2 ingredients. And that is a complete pancake mix plus Diet 7-Up or Diet Sprite, depending on which family you belong to. Isn't it like Coke versus Pepsi or something? Yeah. We like the Birch Benders keto friendly mix, but there's so many different ones that you can try. The only thing is that you should buy one that is a complete mix, which is only adding water. Then you can kind of control the amount of liquid that's going into it. If you are using a homemade pancake mix or you are using some other type of pancake mix that requires a bunch of ingredients, you will have to figure out how to adjust the recipe for it to work the same. Because when we did it, we found that we needed a lot more liquid than the original video. And so you're looking for a consistency with the funnel cake to be passable through like a squeeze bottle or something. Today, it's gonna be even a little different, but that's what we show you guys here on our channel. We're trying to just make recipes work with what we have. And a busted knee. Did I tell you that I fell in my new house? Yes, well, now I'm limping, so. And if you guys wanna see like the updates from us moving into our new respective homes, we published them a little while ago, right? It's August, did we publish that? We don't know. Anyway, that's the first part, is you're gonna need this, and you're gonna need your apple pie filling. Whether you made this from zucchini or chayote, which is another type of squash, they both work the same. This is pretty thick. Sarah. We've said this before, but like if you make some of this, there's so many different ways that you can eat it. You can eat it on top of ice cream. You can make a fathead dough pie. You can make it into a hand pie, like from McDonald's. You use a tortilla and you wrap it in there and then you deep fry it. It's so good. There are so many uses for this faux apple pie filling. It's really yummy. We're gonna be using about a cup to put inside here and then maybe a little bit of a dollop on top. Basically, we just cut up a zucchini because you can, like I said, you could use zucchini or chayote. Peel the zucchini because you don't want it to look like a zucchini. But can you tell the difference? Come on, look at that. You could go up to grandma. We can't because grandma is not with us anymore. But you could go up to your family member and they probably would not know that this is not apple, okay? You simmer it with butter, spices, sweetener. We add a touch of xanthan gum in there. One of the keys is to add cream of tartar. We really find that it makes it taste like an apple when you add cream of tartar, mix it all, reduce it, and then you get this beautiful mixture. And it pretty much has no carbs in it, very little trace amount of carbs. It's one of the only recipes that we like talk about every year. First off, add your pancake mix to a bowl. I'm just gonna make sure that there's not a lot of chunks. This is totally unnecessary. We're gonna add some ground cinnamon, maybe a teaspoon. We're just eyeballing it. We want this to be flavored. When I saw other people making this recipe with apple pie filling, like real apple pie filling, they added sugar into this mixture. We're not gonna do that because we're gonna have some sweetness from the Diet Sprite. If you are using soda water instead, or club soda, maybe add a little bit of Swerve into this mixture so it's sweet. We're more of savory people anyway, I feel.
Already smells like an apple fritter because we added that cinnamon in there.
I mean, I wanna have some more.
Okay.
I think that was about half a teaspoon. All right, now we're gonna add our Sprite. I didn't really measure this. I think we added about 2 cups. I will add 1 cup first, but remember, there's a little bit of liquid in the apple pie filling, so this is gonna be a
aga moment.
Yeah, aga, which in Malay means
a little bit of this,
a little bit of this, a little bit of that, right?
Because we are Malaysian.
Right. This is about half of a cup. I used about 2 cups last time. But you're gonna want this to not act like a funnel cake. That's the other thing. We're making a fritter. Fritters are not like squirty, you know what I mean?
Where did we get the fritter idea from?
I have to find the comment, but one of you guys suggested this. We read your comments, especially the nice ones.
Yeah, mostly the nice ones.
The mean ones we just don't respond to because I don't know what to say.
But then if you respond to negativity, there
it breeds more negativity, right? We are just who we are.
Just two weirdos on the internet.
Okay, this is the other half a cup. So now we're at 1 cup of Sprite.
Plus, we also might want to let this sit for a little bit, right? Because
we want everything to absorb correctly, right?
And sometimes keto ingredients take longer to absorb.
Right. I'm liking this. I'm liking how this is looking. I'm liking how it's smelling. Do we know what we're doing? No, but most of the time it works out. I will say that. And when it doesn't work out,
you don't see the video.
Well, there have been a couple times where Sarah's like, we were posting this video. Someone posted, you should practice the recipe before you try it. And someone else responded, the whole point is that they don't practice it. Thank you for getting it, you know?
It's a test kitchen. Like America's test kitchen, but really not at all like them at all.
Right. Well, you know, when we were getting our, this is a story, but when we were getting our inspection done, the inspector, he was really nice. He used to work in TV production, you know, so he was asking what we did and everything like that. And I was trying to explain it to him. And he's just like, so how long have you been like a cook? And I'm like, I'm not. And he's like, but like, where did you like study? Nowhere. He like very confused. He was just like looking at me and I'm like, the point is that we don't know what we're doing. But after 600 videos, we kind of like do. We're not confident, okay? We're humble people. There are some things where I'm like, this is gonna work out. I have good vibes, you know?
I still think we should probably let it set up.
Yes. No? All right, we're gonna let this set up for a couple minutes. Maybe we'll start heating our oil and we're gonna start folding in our apple fritter filling. Let's see. Center, rear, front. Let's just do low. We don't know how this works yet.
What kind of oil are we using?
Avocado oil. You could use whatever oil you want. So it is thickened up quite a bit. We're going to start with a cup. That might be like all we have, so that's about a cup. Okay. I'm gonna fold it in. For the most part, it looks like it, but it does have some seeds that you'll see, but it smells like it already. Okay. You want every scoop to have it. But we're gonna use that scooper that we have. I think that this is a good size. What do you think?
Yeah.
Let's go to the stove. We might get something so I can cook from here. We're deciding right now.
Induction oven or burner.
Feels kind of weird. All right, it's up to temperature. Let's get started frying. I'm just gonna put a dollop in there.
What temperature is it at?
It's at 335, but it's gonna start climbing pretty fast. Ooh, okay, let's do another one. Why not? Hello? Get out of there.
Pressed it multiple times. It's getting brown pretty fast.
Yeah.
The corner there. I don't think it's ready yet.
Hello?
We're running out of battery.
I don't really often eat apple fritters, although they sound yummy. Is that how an apple fritter looks?
I don't know.
Comment below. We won't see this until after we're done, so it won't be of any help, but maybe I'll Google it. So it's like that, right?
Maybe we can make a little glaze with some confectioner's swerve.
A little bit of ice cream on top. All right, why don't we put together a little thing?
Icing.
Huh?
Icing.
All right, bowls. Tell me when I'm close.
Close.
All right, for this, what am I adding? How about a little Sprite and a little of this for glaze? Okay, why not? We're making it up.
Not too much, not too much.
Would you relax?
Not too much.
No, it wasn't.
Yep. Was it too much?
No. Should I start over or what?
Yeah, probably. Otherwise we're gonna waste.
Darn it.
I had a little whisk. Where did it go? Where is my little whisk?
Uh-oh. It's missing.
No, really.
Where is it? We don't have time for that right now, Sarah. Sarah wants me to add a tablespoon.
That's enough. You can always add more, so why rush to it? You know, maybe a touch more, but you can always add more.
I'm waiting for Sarah to scream at me.
Stop. Okay, I think this is getting
Okay.
better.
Okay.
Multitasking.
Okay.
Mmm.
Onto a sheet pan. Is it cooked in there? It is not cooked. What do we do now?
Maybe cut them in half and put them back in there.
Shoot.
You.
Look at it. It's not cooked enough. Darn it. Okay. This is not 50%.
Maybe just cook it for longer.
Well, these big belugas, they didn't cook, so we need to try a smaller version. I'm gonna go with something about this size.
A couple tablespoons full.
I don't think that this is hot enough. I think it must have. Yeah, this is way lower than it should be. We gotta get this hotter.
Yeah, I think cut them in half and put them in there. That's a good idea. That's one that's coming out nicely.
Like that? It looks like a fish fry.
Yeah, that will all solidify. I mean, I don't know.
Don't touch my other ones, bro. We turned on the oil because we're afraid of burning.
And then
The oil went below 275 and it's on pretty high heat. So we did not do that right.
it started at a higher heat, 325.
350.
And keep it high, don't lower it because the temperature drops really fast with adding all of these really cool items to it.
Looking like the photo. Okay, before you judge me, reference photo. Sarah, show the reference photo. Show it so that people can't say that it doesn't look like that. It does. Okay. Kind of.
It's like either that or a chicken tender.
I mean, what do you want? Light, crispy, airy cod? Or do you want apple fritters? I don't know. Say. What about this one? Is this one ready?
Oh my god.
Here we have our icing, which is just Sprite and Swerve.
Diet Sprite.
Diet Sprite. We're just gonna let it drip while they cool. You could probably make double the amount. If you cook them smaller, we wasted a lot because I didn't do it right. Well, I think, honestly too, I think our oil was not like the right temperature. You might be able to cook these in the air fryer. If you have any suggestions on how we would do that, please let us know in the comments. We have new air fryers, so this might be a cool recipe to doing that. Sarah says it smells like
Christmas market.
Yeah, Christmas market in here. Sarah wants to eat this with a fork. What's wrong with that? I mean, how are you gonna eat that? So here we have it. They look good.
Fine, I'll try a ladylike portion.
They're good, very good. They taste like an apple fritter. Absolutely. All the flavors are there. I don't think you can even tell that it's a zucchini, fully cooked, luckily. Smaller size is the way to go. Very good. I just rock sometimes. The icing is nice. I feel like it was needed here. It was? We tend to go a little lighter with the sweetener. So just having that on top, you can just add a little bit if it's not sweet enough for you. And this topping tastes like an apple to me. Zucchinis are plentiful. People are giving them away. Now is the time to make apple pie filling with your zucchinis. Don't forget to subscribe. We would love to hit 300,000 subscribers this year. Please! And YouTube seems to think you like this video, so why don't you click on it? We'll see you over there. Anyway, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Emily.
And we are the Keto signing out. Save one for Alex.